Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to learn about 5-finger retelling. And when you retell, you need to remember, you need to state your setting, you state your characters, what is the problem in the story, what happens in the beginning, middle, and the end, and you state the solution in the story. Alright, so today we're going to work on our 5-finger retell and we're going to work with this story. So as I'm reading, I want you to think about the setting and the characters, right? Those are the first 2 fingers we need to worry about. So let's read the title, Beanie and the Missing Bear. So it already tells me that I have 2 characters, right? We have Beanie and the bear, right? Let's see who else are the characters in this book. My name is Beanie. I am a detective. That means I solve mysteries. I have my first mystery to solve. My sister Claire can't find her bear. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go here to this graphic organizer. It says characters. So what are names of the characters I know? Beanie, Bear, Claire, right? Claire is her sister. Okay, so we got the characters so far. I have my first mystery to solve. My sister Claire can't find her bear. So let's see. That's Beanie, that's Claire, and there's another character. We don't know his name yet. So let's see if we find out what his name is. Claire points at Dad's chair. I left my bear in that chair, says Claire. So I also noticed that there is the setting, right? What setting are they in? They are in their house, right? They're in their home. So I am gonna go back to my graphic organizer. I'm gonna say the setting is their home. Okay, let's go back. So they can't find the bear. I wonder where it is. And let's see what happens next. I look on the chair, under the chair, and behind the chair. No bear. Did you see that? Our dog Chomps took that sock. Maybe he took Claire's bear too. So we have another character. We have a dog whose name is Chomps. So you're going to write Chomps here in the characters. Okay. Keep reading. I follow Chomps. I look in Chomps' bed. I see a sock, a ball, and Danny's rabbit. So now we know that the boy's name or their brother's name is Danny. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to write my character's name Danny. So we got Beanie, Bear, Claire, Chomps, and Danny. But no bear. I give Danny his rabbit. He puts it in a new blanket. What about Danny's old blanket? Ooh, look carefully at the picture. The illustrator is trying to show us something, right? I see something there. It looks like in a shape of a... Let's look. I predict it's going to be the bear hiding in Danny's old blanket. Let's see if our prediction is correct. There is something strange about Danny's old blanket. Do you see it too? Look carefully. Please, Danny, I say, may I look at your old blanket? They're using such polite language and manners. I open the blanket. Hello, bear, I say. Chomps did not take the bear. It was Danny. I solved the mystery. Okay. So far the setting did not change, right? We can fill in now what the problem in the story is. So I'm gonna go back to that page where it tells us what the problem is. Okay, she says, I have my first mystery to solve. My sister Claire can't find her bear. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to write the problem. Claire cannot find her bear. Okay. That's the problem. Now I'm going to think about the events. Events includes, you got to think about the beginning, the middle, and the end. So in the beginning, what happens? So in the beginning, we know that, let's see. My name is Beanie. I'm a detective. That means I solve mysteries, right? I have my first mystery to solve. My sister Claire can't find her bear. So in the beginning of the story, I'm going to write B for beginning. Claire cannot find her bear. Decrease the font. So her sister Beanie helps her look for the bear, right? That happens in the beginning. What's happening in the middle of the story? Let's look. So in the middle of the story, there are a lot of things that happen in the middle of the story. So Claire and Beanie look for the bear on the chair, under the chair, and behind the chair. So that's the first thing they do, right? They look for the bear on, under, and behind the chair. Okay, but our middle is going to be longer because a lot of things happen in the middle. It's not just one thing, right? Let's keep going. And then they find dog Chomps taking that sock and running away, right? They also look in Chomp's bed, right? They also look in Chomp's bed. Okay. Okay, and then let's keep going. There's no bear there. Okay, now we're going to come to the end, okay? When they find the old blanket, Danny's old blanket. So I'm going to go down and put E for us. Oops. E for the end. Okay, they finally, I'm going to say finally, they look in Danny's old blanket and find Claire's bear hiding inside it. So you see how we found what the problem is. So this is how we are retelling. We are retelling using our fingers. We're first listing the characters, then we talk about the setting. We figure out what the problem in the story is, and then we write the beginning, the middle, and the end, thinking about what happened in the beginning, what happened in the middle, and what happened in the end. So this is a great way of retelling a story. So Golden Boys, when you are reading stories at home on Kids or from books, please practice using the 5-finger retelling and retell the story to one of your family members, and use this. Think about the characters first, list the setting. The setting could be more than one place. So in this story, it was just the home. Then you think about the problem, what was the main problem in the story. Then you think what happened in the beginning, in the middle, and the end. And finally, you're going to write the solutions. The solution to the problem was that Beanie was able to find the bear in Danny's old blanket. Okay, so that's the solution. So this is how you do your 5-finger retell. Let's look at the chart again, the anchor chart, and this is how it is: setting, characters, problem, events, the beginning, middle, and end, and you list the solution. This is how you do 5-finger retell of a story. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am also going to share this graphic organizer with you in the link that I'll be sharing with you on Class Dojo. Please try to use it whenever you retell your story using your 5 fingers. All right, I hope this was useful. I hope you use it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, my friends.